Okay, I'm going to show the functioning of this kind of basic development harness. We can see the code here. This is the entry point for dev mode. This is the entry point for the MBot program mode. The main program that calls out to these subroutines to play tones and light up the lights as we work through this kind of workflow, this set of states. And then here's the user program. Very simple user program right now. Just run forward at speed 100. This command just turns the motors into that mode and then immediately executes the next command, which will mean the motors keep running. We're going to then wait 5 seconds and let the motors run for 5 seconds. And then we're going to stop the motors by setting the speed to 0. At that point, down here in our invoking routine, the user program will exit, which means we'll then go to state 4, we'll clean up, call the exit routine. So if you start from one of these 2 points and kind of follow the subroutine calls, you'll see step by step what we're doing. And the reason why it's broken up into pieces here is just to make it a little easier to maintain and reuse those pieces. So let's go ahead and run it. What we're going to do is double click here, and I've got another camera that's set on the bot itself. So when we double click this button, what we'll see will happen, you hear the tone playing, and now we see flashing green lights. We press the button on the bot, we see the lights go to blue, we run the motors for 5 seconds, we stop, we get a different tone, and we get red lights showing us that we're now done running. So that's the basic idea. We can also come here and upload to Arduino. When we hit this, we make sure that we're connected on our serial port. Give that a second to upload, and then we'll see it running autonomously without being in development mode. So there we go, we've just finished. The bot's played our distinctive tone and it's got the flashing green lights, so we know we're ready to run right now. We'll go ahead and hit close here, and we can disconnect the USB, and this guy will now run autonomously. In fact, I can hit reset and we should get back to that distinctive tone and the green lights. Ready? Okay, now we're ready to run. We push the button, we go to blue, we run forward 5 seconds, and then we stop and go to red. Now because I'm in red, my program's not running any longer, and this button's not responsive. I need to reset again, get back to the flashing green. It's one of the reasons why we've added the flashing green, is that we know we're ready to proceed. A second time.